Hello guys, I hope you're all doing well. I have an egg recipe for you today. Let's get started. I selected and washed two medium-sized eggs for this recipe. When dealing with more than one eggs, always remember to crack open each egg in a separate saucer. We remove the eyes of the eggs because it helps to reduce the raw scent and the raw taste. It is easier to use a teaspoon for this process. Now whisk the eggs until it is frothy. Add about a half teaspoon of black pepper and about a quarter teaspoon of Lawry's seasoned salt or your choice of salt and mix. Now I'm adding about 2 to 3 teaspoons of fresh milk. Adding some bell peppers red and then some onions, as well as some yellow bell peppers and some sharp cheddar cheese grated. Now add butter. I use butter to fry my eggs, not oil. Yes, butter tastes much better when you use it to fry your eggs. And then add your egg mixture to that butter. Remember to turn your stove down to about low heat to allow the egg to cook properly, especially around the corners and in the middle. And you don't want raw eggs. Then I'm going to add some bacon bits in the center there while the egg continues to cook. Look how it's bubbling around the sides. And then grate some extra sharp cheddar cheese also in that center. And then we're ready to turn that egg about 2 to 3 minutes after. And then you're gonna allow it to continue to fry up. Turn your stove down at this point to the lowest heat level that you have and turn it again. You want to continue to use that spatula to press and press to see if you see any water coming out, and voila, the egg is done. And this is 2 servings. Look at how pretty that is. Beautiful. And what to serve this egg with? Let us see. So I served it up with some toast bread, lightly buttered. And you can serve it up like a regular sandwich, or as well as you can keep the egg on the side if you prefer that. But I made it into a sandwich. And there it is. Very, very tasty, everybody. I know I've said in one other video that I don't like eggs, but this is one of the ways in which I enjoy eggs. If you all noticed, I did not put any tomatoes in this omelette because tomato tends to be a little bit on the watery side. Thank you for watching.